Okay, let's get right into it. There is so much chatter out there, so much noise about the future of digital marketing. Is it a dying field? Is AI seriously about to make an entire profession just disappear? Well, in this explainer, we're going to tackle that question head-on. And more importantly, we're going to give you a clear roadmap for what it actually takes to thrive come 2026.
So, let's start with the big one, right? The question that's probably been nagging at you. Is digital marketing actually dead? You see the headlines, you hear the whispers, and it's so easy to get worried that this career you're building, or even just thinking about starting, is already over.
And this is the argument you hear all the time, isn't it? The idea that AI is now so powerful it can do everything a marketer does. Write the copy, run the ads, the whole shebang. The fear is that the need for a human marketer is just, well, vanishing. But let's take a look at what's really going on.
Okay, here's where the story gets really interesting. Because if marketing jobs were truly disappearing, you'd expect companies to be slashing their budgets, right? Well, guess what? They're doing the exact opposite.
Yep, you're seeing that right. 10 times. That's not a typo. In just the last few years, a lot of businesses have jacked up their marketing spend by up to 10 times. They're investing more in growth than ever before. So the money is absolutely still flowing, and it's flowing fast. And wow, this chart just drives that point home. The investment isn't shrinking, it's exploding. Companies aren't pulling back, they are all in. You can see just how dramatic that shift is. So the real question becomes, where is all that cash going? And it's not just about the budgets either. Just do a quick search on LinkedIn on any major job site, you'll see thousands and thousands of open roles for marketers. The demand is there, it's high. So no, the jobs haven't disappeared. But, and this is a big but, they have changed.
And this, right here, is the absolute heart of the matter. The problem isn't that digital marketing is dead. The real question we all need to be asking ourselves is this: are my skills relevant for the kind of marketer that businesses are desperately trying to hire right now, and for the future?
So let's break this evolution down. What exactly is this great shift? Let's take a look at what's out, and more importantly, what's in. Just look at the contrast here. Think about it like this. Maybe 5 years ago, a company hires 3 people, a writer, an SEO guy, and an ads manager. Everything was slow, manual, like spending 6 months building backlinks by hand. Ugh. Today, that same company wants to hire one person, a growth marketer, someone who uses AI to handle all 3 of those roles. This one person can get campaign ideas, write the ad copy, and run automated tests to find a winner in days, not months. That's the shift. Or hey, let's take a classic skill like SEO. Just trying to rank on page 1 of Google. That's not nearly enough anymore. Why? Because people aren't just searching on Google. They're asking ChatGPT, they're searching on TikTok, they're looking for answers inside Gemini. The new skill isn't search engine optimization, it's search everywhere optimization. You have to be visible wherever your customer's looking for you. Okay, so you get the shift. It's big. Now the real question is, how do you get there from here? Let's talk about the path forward, because there's a clear, actionable plan you can follow. All right, here it is, your roadmap. And it doesn't matter if you're a total beginner or a seasoned marketer who needs an upgrade, this timeline works. First couple of months, you go all in on the new foundations. Then for months 3 to 6, it's all about actually doing it with AI and automation. After that, you build out your niche, your specialty. And within 2 years, you're looking at senior roles and much bigger opportunities. Let's just zoom in on that critical first part, because it's so important. Your new foundation isn't about old school basics. No, it's about mastering how platform algorithms work today, understanding the fundamentals of how AI actually thinks, and getting a grip on the basics of automation so your work is powerful from day one. Now, let's be real for a second. This initial phase, it's a serious investment in yourself. For the first 1 to 3 months, your entire focus should be on learning, which probably means you're going to have zero income. I know that's tough to hear, but this is the groundwork that lets you start earning with side projects and real clients just a few months down the line. So, as we start to wrap this up, I want to reframe how you're thinking about AI. It's not the villain of this story, not even close. This right here is the key takeaway. AI hasn't killed digital marketing, it's just changed the game and given it an incredibly powerful new direction. Your job isn't to compete with AI, your job is to partner with it, to use it as your co-pilot to become faster, smarter, and way more effective than you ever could have been before. But let's be crystal clear about what's at stake here.
The cost of ignoring this shift is huge. If you don't adapt, you will become irrelevant. Companies won't need what you're selling, and frankly, your pay could drop to less than what an intern makes. Upskilling is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a necessity.
So the future of marketing isn't dead, not at all. It's just different. And 2026 is coming a whole lot faster than you think, whether you're ready for it or not. So the real question is,